Namaste yogis and good morning. Welcome to my channel. My name is Matt and a lot of you have asked me to provide shorter yin morning practices, and a lot of people sometimes think that yin yoga has to be done for a long time to be beneficial, but this is simply untrue. And if you do some sort of telework during these COVID times, or you can just spare 15 minutes in the morning to do a short yin yoga routine like we're going to do today, it's going to be very beneficial for you. So today's class doesn't need any props, and we're going to get into it right away. So bring the sole of our feet together. We're just going to start walking our hands forward and allowing our palms to face towards the ceiling. And I do like to do that because it reminds me to allow gravity to do work for me instead of forcing anything or grabbing onto something. So yin morning routines are a great way to supercharge your day. So if you can use this moment to just set out the intention for a beautiful, positive, and productive day ahead of you, I will invite you to do so. So this is a really great way to loosen up your connective tissues, joints, and muscle for the day ahead. So we're going to slowly walk our hands backward, getting out of this position. We're going to set ourselves up for deer pose. So bringing our left shin parallel to the front of our mat and our right shin parallel to the side of our mat. So you want to keep knee in line with hip and knee in line with hip. And from here, what we're trying to do is we're trying to press down and roll backwards our right hip. So this is why we're gonna lean backward perhaps in a 45-degree angle. And if you can go all the way to the ground, feel free to do so. Just find your edge and allow this hip to open up. We're going to slowly come out of this position, and we're going to set ourselves up for the other side. So this time, right shin parallel to the front of the mat, and the left shin parallel to the side of your mat. Then we're going to be leaning backwards to fill that stretch in our left hip. Just remember to keep breathing through the nose as you hold the positions, and out through the nose as you exhale. And we're going to come out of this position, and we're going to set ourselves up for half straddle. So starting off with our left leg, we're going to bring our right foot inwards and the sole of our right foot in contact with our left thigh. We're going to start walking our hands slowly forward towards that left leg, and then allowing the stretch in our spine and neck to be very gentle. Just allow gravity to pull you down. And it's okay to round the spine and neck in yin yoga, since we're doing everything at a gentle space. And we're going to slowly come out of it. And from here, we're going to bring our right heel to our left glute, and we're going to cross our left leg over our right knee, using our right arm to hook around that left knee. We're going to stand our left arm backwards and go into a gentle twist. So for this position, you don't want to be forcing too much with your neck or your body. You just want to hook that left knee and look back. Just keeping everything very subtle and gentle. And we're gonna slowly release. Now we're gonna extend our right leg out in front of us, bringing the sole of our left foot inside our right thigh. We're gonna slowly walk our hands forward towards that right leg, allowing gravity to do the rest of the work for us. Settling the intention ahead for a beautiful, positive day filled with joy and happiness. And slowly walking our hands backwards, raising our torso. We're gonna cross our right leg over our left knee, bringing that left heel to our right glute, hooking up around with our left arm. We're gonna extend our right arm backwards, bringing the palm of our hand to the ground, and then just turning our head and body towards the right side. And we're gonna release. Now we're gonna come into all fours, keeping our knees in line with our hips. We're gonna start walking our hands forward. And we're gonna get into puppy pose. So bring our forehead to the ground, allowing our spine to curve. And just feeling that stretch in our shoulders, pectoral muscle and spine. This feels really nice. It's a great way to start the day. And from here, we're gonna bring our butt to our heels. And we're gonna get into child's pose. So allowing the palms of our hand to face the ceiling and bring our arms behind us. We're gonna bring our forehead to the ground and just allow ourselves to settle into this very soothing and relaxing position. And we're going to slowly make our way back up to come out of this position. So I'm going to invite you to come to this seated position. And we're just going to take a few breaths here. So I want to thank you, yogis, for joining me on the mat today. And I'm gonna try to listen to you guys and bring you more short morning yin yoga sequences to jumpstart your beautiful day. So if you could subscribe to my channel, it's a great way to support the yoga community here on YouTube and for creators like myself to bring more content to you guys on a regular basis. We're gonna place our hands together. I'm gonna wish you a beautiful day. Namaste. Bye, yogis.